I turned 35 today. Some birthday. When's your birthday?
I don't know.
Geez, what kind of childhood you have?
Short.
Always wanted to see San Francisco. Never thought it'd be like this.
What'd you get sent to the Rock for?
A couple of years ago, I started stealing cars. For kicks, mostly. Sometimes I'd strip and sell the parts. Got sent to the state pen.
You end up in Alkatraza for that?
Not exactly. There was a bull there like to push me around. So when I got out, I went back and I stole his car. Unfortunately, I drove it across the state line, which made it a federal rap, and the bull saw to it that I was sent to the Rock.
English. Visitor board. Butts. You got a visitor.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Probably somebody who wants their car back.
Hello, Father.
Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
I was afraid you wouldn't let me.
It's just hard to see you like this.
Your mom is going to die. Charlie.
When?
Well, she's got a few months. Can you call her?
We're not allowed to make phone calls from here?
You are not allowed to discuss the rules of the institution. Stick to your personal life.
This is my personal life. You're getting a kick out of it? Hello? Hello!
I love you, Charlie.
Hey, Frank,
Yeah?
if you ever try to get out of here, I want in.